Biforce technology introduces a new GT series automatic line for battery production, including machines for the final production phase. An increased level of automation using high-quality components provides high performance, long life and convenience in the operation of the machines in this series. GT series machines are equipped with built-in touchscreens, motorized conveyor with identification and fixation of batteries, and servo drive control of working units. The smooth interaction of mechanical rigging and control systems ensures fast and simple adjustment of machines. The ability to create programmable templates for different types of batteries eliminates the possibility of setup errors due to human factors. GT series software allows the setting up of a remote connection and making settings online. GT series machines are compact in size and easy to integrate into existing production lines. Convenient arrangement of control panels and touchscreens allows making working settings in parallel with observing movement of mechanical elements. Thanks to the file system for placing technological documentation attached to the control zone, the necessary information will always be at hand. In order to create high-quality and reliable equipment with high performance, GT series machines use components from world-renowned companies in the fields of engineering and automation. The manufacturer of PLC, HMI and electronic components used in the GT series is Siemens. The pneumatic components for the GT series equipment are supplied by Festo, German manufacturer of industrial equipment and automation systems, the world leader in the field of pneumatic technology. GT series equipment is designed to produce batteries that meet the requirements of original equipment manufacturers and fully complies with modern safety standards. The finishing line is the final stage in the production cycle, and it is a complex of equipment for performing control tests and a number of procedures, after which the battery becomes a ready product. Manufacturers using finishing lines machines in the process of manufacturing of lead-acid batteries get high quality and reliable batteries at the output, and also minimize the risks of delivering defective products to sales networks. The Biforce technology finishing line consists of 8 machines with an average capacity of up to 4 batteries per minute. Machines of the finishing line and the operations that they perform. Top lid heat sealing machine. Biforce technology heat sealing machine uses a 2-sided heating system which reduces the cycle time and increases productivity. The machine is equipped with a system for battery positioning and lid detection. Lid holder is carried out by vacuum. Thanks to the servo drive control of the working units, the sealing cycle is exactly and smoothly executed. The machine is additionally equipped with a unit for checking the tightness of the battery. Batteries that do not pass the leak test are removed from the conveyor at the rejection station. Washing and drying machine. Biforce technology washing and drying machine is designed for automatic cleaning and drying of batteries. In the first block, a preliminary washing with simultaneous neutralization of the acid on the battery body with sodium hydroxide solution is carried out. The cleaning block is equipped with 3 brushes made of acid-resistant plastic with a servo motor drive and adjusting shafts which allow setting up the machine for cleaning different types of batteries. Detergent is supplied to the cleaning zone for greater efficiency. In the rinsing zone, the supply of clean water is provided by a lot of nozzles that correctly distribute water over the entire surface of the battery, eliminating the presence of untreated areas and corners. The drying block is equipped with 4 powerful fans, which supply hot air through nozzles to the blow zone. A well-thought-out arrangement of each air nozzle ensures effective removal of moisture from the body and battery cover. Separate conveyor belts of washing and drying blocks prevent the accumulation of water in the drying zone. HRD testing machine. Biforce technology HRD testing machine is designed to check the battery for a quick discharge, which can be caused by manufacturing errors such as an inverted plate, poor quality of interconnects or low charge. The principle of the HRD test is to apply current to the battery with a periodic increase in amperage and fixing the battery voltage. Batteries entering the machine on the conveyor are positioned and fixed. The working head is lowered to the battery terminals and a special electronic system conducts battery testing. Batteries that do not pass the test are removed from the conveyor at the rejection station. HVT testing machine. Bioforce Technology HVT testing machine is designed to check the battery tightness by detecting a voltage leak in it. The machine is equipped with Kikusui brand electronic high-voltage feeder with microprocessor control. The working unit, equipped with a central electrode and 4 contact strips, is lowered onto the battery. The central electrode is located on the positive terminal. The contact strips are fixed around the welding line of the cover. During testing, a high voltage is generated. The presence of an electrical potential between the electrodes indicates a voltage leak and therefore a risk of battery leakage. Batteries that do not pass the test are removed from the conveyor at the rejection station. Post-brushing machine. Bioforce Technology post-brushing machine is equipped with a working unit with 2 pneumatic-driven brushing heads, designed to clean the top and side surfaces of the terminals in 1 cycle. Unique cleaning head is excellent for DIN and JIS types of terminals. Steel brushes provide high-quality cleaning and polishing. Postgreasing machine. Bioforce Technology Postgreasing machine is designed to automatically apply lubricants to the terminals of the battery in order to prevent their oxidation. The working head is equipped with lubricating tools with a pneumatic drive for quick and high-quality lubricant application to the battery posts. The function of the machine allows adjusting the amount of lubrication and the time of application. Weight controlling machine. Bioforce Technology weight controlling machine provides automatic measurement of ready battery weight. Weighing is carried out by means of an independent load-carrying platform equipped with strain gauges. Weight control is carried out without significant stops at the finishing line. The machine is additionally equipped with a rejection station and a collector for accumulator batteries, with deviations in weight greater or less than the established rate. Code marking machine. Bioforce Technology code marking machine is designed to automatically encode the cover of the finishing battery. The machine is equipped with a small and light Techni4 brand marking device, which uses micro-impact marking technology. This method shows high resistance to abrasive and chemical effects, as well as extreme temperatures, and provides a high speed of marking and text readability. The servo drive of the engraver makes it easy to set up the marking process. Each machine is programmed for quick setup for any type of batteries. The design of the working units make it possible to make a rapid mechanical refitting without exerting efforts. The integrated software package collects, analyzes and archives production data and is used to provide operator control of technological processes in real time. Machines carry out quality control of the performed technological operation. When fixing the discrepancy to the specified parameters, the system automatically removes the battery from the conveyor at the nearest rejection station. The finishing line is equipped with 3 rejection stations with collectors. GT Series finishing line is a fully automated line for which a minimum number of personnel is needed. All that is required from the operator is the launch of the line and overall production control. GT Series finishing line fully complies with the requirements of the current safety standards. Each machine is equipped with sensors that allow the machine to stop when it interferes with the production process. Plexiglass installed on the front and rear doors of machines performs a protective function, but at the same time allows monitoring of the production cycle.